Sagicor's vision is to be a great company, committed to improving the lives of people in the communities in which we operate. So for the past 44 years, the employees of Sagicor have gone beyond the call of duty to ensure that we make a contribution to our nation. The cycle of goodwill and the commitment to nation building drives the group's corporate social responsibility programs, and that is aimed at youth development in 3 categories: health, education, and sports. Our flagship Sagicor Sigma corporate run, that's very dear to my heart because I was actually one of the team leads in 2008. And to date, $146 million has been raised for entities such as Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Neonatal Unit, the Sickle Cell Trust, Jamaica Kidney Foundations, and a plethora of other charities. Now, in the area of education, thousands of disadvantaged youngsters in early childhood institutions across Jamaica continue to reap rewards through Sagicor Life's Jamaica 60-year-old Adopt a School program. This comprises of mentorship program as well as infrastructure and project financing. The venture birthed in 2009, which has been very successful in allowing Sagicor staff to connect with members of the communities. And when I say connect, I mean it's almost like a next door neighbor. And it also strengthens the common goal of youth development in these areas. We also give back through our annual scholarships. We have scholarship for secondary levels, tertiary levels, and for the secondary level we refer to the GSAT, and tertiary levels we assist UE and UTech with scholarships. So this offer is to assist young minds to develop with hassle-free access to education. One of my favorite stories that come to mind, and it actually brings a smile on my face, is through our Adopt a School program. Our New Kingston branch went to select a school, and 2 of their advisors, well, actually 1 advisor and the coordinator, Curleen and Renee, they were actually in the vicinity of Linders Road. And they were passing the school, Faith Tabernacle Basic School. The school looked, a little run down, and they felt like it was a gut feeling that they should stop and go inside, and that's what she said. She went inside, and when they got in, they were faced with the principal, who looked a little, hesitant to speak to them, and the teachers. They had felt they were from the Ministry of Education, and somehow it seemed negative. However, the long story short, when Curleen and Renee actually told them why they were there, the principal got so excited. First of all, she was in awe, she was in shock, because she has been praying, for a miracle. Notice the name Faith Tabernacle. She was praying for a miracle that somebody would come to their aid and assist them. And in walked these 2 ladies, aka angels, if you want to call them that, to assist them. And for that year, Faith Tabernacle, they received a fully refurbished computer room, a reading room, and they actually refurbished the staff room as well. They also contributed 2 computers to the computer room. They gave them a refrigerator, which I hear that was a huge thing for the school. They also went in the principal's office and they suited her out. They also offered free eye examination. They took the kids to a movie. They had a movie night. They feted them during Christmas. And of course, they were actually there in their numbers on Labor Day. And of course, they suited them out for uniforms. I gave this whole 64 students uniform, which I thought was awesome. And it's out of their pocket, When I say out of the pocket, they do a lot of fundraising to raise monies but I think that's awesome.